Hey guys, just got a email and it was just asking what's the best way to market. Okay, live good. How do you get signups? What's the best way? Just short, simple, nothing fancy, not joining all these systems and education and spending 2 months trying to learn how to do something, and then 2, 3 months later, your butt hurts, your back hurts, you're grinding, just learning all these things. And all of a sudden you go, God, I know a lot about marketing, but I haven't made any money yet. I don't even have one sign up except for my grandma. Okay. I promised grandma I would find her teeth. And if she found her teeth, she said, yes, Sonny, I'll go ahead and join your Live Good business. Okay. Everyone always does friends and family first. Okay. And then after a while, you're like, okay, gosh, now what do I do? Okay. I have a routine. Call it a system, call it what you want, but it seems to work. I just keep things real short and simple. And I hope you go to joincory.com. Okay. I make business cards for about 25 bucks with Vistaprint, couple bucks to get them to my place here. I just hand them out now and then. But the most important thing I did was I bought joincory.com. Can you see it on my webcam? I bought this. And GoDaddy, I think I paid about 11 bucks for it. And then I simply have GoDaddy for free, forward it to my Live Good capture page. Okay. And everyone gets their own capture page when you join. Okay, this is what it looks like. People go to this video. They watch this 6-minute video hosted by CEO Ben Glinsky. Talks about the product and the opportunity, everything. All right. And most people within 15 seconds know if they want to watch the whole 6-minute video. And if you do, you're probably on the fence going, I think I can do it. I got 10 bucks a month, 40 bucks one time just to be an affiliate. So if you have $49.95, guys, you're ready to go. And this is your capture page. You just switch this name. I put my name, Cory Draper's website. Put whatever you like right there. It's up to you. But most people will watch the video. And if they want more information, name and email address here. And Live Good will send you one email per day for 30 days. And if you want to join, just open up your Live Good email and you click a link to get your username, password. And like I said, it's $9.95 a month to be a member. One time, $40 fee. Okay. Or if you want to join for the year, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. It's up to you. I don't make any more or less. Most people join for the year, so it's just done. Okay. Now, I think it's real important to go ahead and just check out Live Good. Check out the products. And I always invite people just directly to Live Good. And let's see, right here, let me click my products tab. And you guys will figure this out. Super easy. Okay, here we go. Now, just scroll and see here, see all the little white rectangles? Go ahead and just click them. It'll give you the pricing and the ingredients and how to use each product. Okay, super simple, guys. This is how I promote Live Good. All right, call it a routine, call it a system. I tell people to go to the FAQ. There you go. Click all these questions. They're answered, of course. And then if you want to know about the comp plan, please don't try to explain it. You'll go crazy. Tell everyone to go to the bottom of the web page. You're going to see affiliate pay plan or the word pay plan. All right, you can see it there at the left of my screen. When you click it, it shows all 7 ways that we get paid. Okay? And we're on the membership side. Remember, we're a wholesale company. We don't commission our products, so you don't have to buy a darn thing to earn money with us. We're a membership-based, membership-focused website, like Amazon Prime, Costco here in America. Now, when you go to the bottom of the affiliate pay plan link, do you see this video here? Watch this YouTube video produced by Live Good. It's by far the easiest way to explain the comp plan. Because if you try to do it yourself, guys, you're going to go crazy. You're going to bore everyone to death. Let the video do it. Everybody loves video, okay? So here we go, guys. In a nutshell, I just keep things real simple. There's the business card that I ordered from Vistaprint. Okay, I just chose this card because I like to put the white font behind the red. See how it jumps out? You can put this business card anywhere, and you can see joincory.com. And it's up to you if you want to put your name or email address, but just keep things simple because you want people to go to your domain. You want them to go to that link so they watch the video, and that's it. Okay? Keep things really nice, short, sweet. Don't worry about all these fancy, crazy things and learn for a couple months and then go, okay, now I'm nervous and I'm ready. If you want to learn about video, great. I have plenty of tutorials and systems and free advice just on YouTube videos. Emailing is very important to me. I'm really good at emails. All right, I'll show you exactly what I do. And as far as social media too, the top three I'd say are TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Okay, but still people do threads. They do, God, like I said, even the old school business cards. If you want to just hand them out. Hey, Cory, I saw you on Facebook. What was that thing you were talking about? I just give them a card and say, just watch the video, guys. Because if I talk to you in person like this, you're just going to zone out and be bored. All right. Invite people to click something, to watch something. All right. Invite, they click, they watch, and they say yes or no. And I think that's how you prefer it too. You don't want me on the phone. You don't want me standing in your living room going, do you want to join? Do you want to join? Most people are all video based. Okay. This is by far the easiest time to promote these online type of businesses is, what is it? January 2025. It's almost February in a few days. Okay. Keep things short, sweet, invite people to watch a video, and then sit back and do it again and again. You'll get good at this. Okay, guys? All right. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. I'm not shy, guys. Okay, you have any questions, just go ahead and email me. All right. Peace and love, guys. Thanks again for your time. Bye.